Hey, we're here at our church again today. I guess I'm enjoying tilling humps so much that I found another one to till. This one really is a septic mound. Hopefully we don't hit any of the septic system. I think that was just a concrete block or something. Yeah, we got some seeding to do. Going to try to till up several areas here. There was a problem in this septic system, and they got it fixed this summer, and they just need some grass in. Let's get started. We're back with Chris and Sandy. This time we're going to work on tilling and seeding several areas around the property. Now, one of my friends here at the church is the one who helped repair this, and I asked him if it was deep enough that we could till over it, and they said it was. So hopefully there's no risk of us actually hitting the septic. If it is, we'll have another repair job.
You'd think I was in one of my fields as rocky as it is.
Yeah. I think I would have been a little bit better off had I tilled it one or two more times just to get some of that sod all chopped up. You can see Sandy in the background there on the zero turn.
Well, that levels it off nice and smooth.
Maybe just a smidge lower. That may be too much.
Okay.
It's that push button and
Oh, okay.
and it's really sensitive.
Yeah.
And then you can do left and right.
I mean, the idea we're just wanting to kind of smooth it off, right?
Yeah, and then once you get done running this way, you'll want to run up over the top.
Oh, okay.
Right, so you want to go at a whole bunch of different angles, and that way you'll get it smooth from every angle.
I'll be.
So you're essentially letting this axle and the gauge wheels help you to smooth.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
And the only reason you want it more aggressive, like I just said, was if you're not hitting. You know, like
yeah,
over
so
there,
we didn't hit. Yeah. I know it wasn't hitting some of it.
This is your depth gauge.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't know what those marks mean, but they're just relative, right? So the point is no, not for that one. Leave this and float.
Oh.
And then,
yeah.
That's your depth gauge. And probably somewhere in there is about level, is about even. But you'll experiment. As it gets more packed down, you'll get better at it.
It'll get better, yeah. All right. Yeah, that's working more.
Chris has farmed all of his life. You know, big acreage farmer. So I don't want to give him too much direction. I kind of want to show him how the machine works and then just let him experiment with it and he'll figure it out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Do I go all the way back across?
It actually looks really good after you go backwards over it. Maybe it's because it doesn't have the tire tracks in it, I don't know. You can get to where when you're backing up, you'll move over. You can grab that same hump and take it back, see? And where you can just kind of zigzag your way.
All right.
And it don't really matter what direction you're going. It's not like farming. You can go any direction.
All right, Tim, I'm gonna let you show me.
That's kind of how it's done, see?
Yeah.
The sod's the hardest part, right?
Yeah.
You can tell that it
That
makes
does oh yeah, that's a real nice job.
It just takes patience. You have to go over it several times.
Yeah. That thing is a little bit tricky.
Yeah.
It takes some getting used to.
It's weird to steer it.
Yeah.
Especially when you're not
Well, to steer it and when you're not used to it. All the different levers and the things to going over back and forth. I just figure he'll get it done much faster and easier.
But you have fun.
So yeah, it was fun.
Chris was thinking there was concrete from a post in here. So he did a little bit of back dragging. Really all we found was pea gravel. Pure pea gravel here. It's gonna be hard to grow grass in it. But we'll see, there might be concrete in there. Used to be a playground here. We moved the playground out to the other area. You've seen us work on the playground, yeah, for several years, and finally got it done and got the old one moved out of here. You want to till that again, or you think that's good enough?
Well, you know, if you run that other thing over it, you're going to kind of break. We don't need it deep, you know, for grass seed. So you've got the seeder and you've got that other thing to do.
You want to get a little more over there?
I can hit one more pass, or, I mean, there's pretty good grass up next to the building.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get that close, but I'll take another pass there.
And then right down there next to the sidewalk, there's a hole. We could either fill that in or...
Yeah, well, okay.
You see it?
Yeah, probably where we pulled out a post.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. So do we want to get a little dirt in a bucket and fill it in there?
If we can find some, yeah.
We'll just scalp off a little.
Sounds good.
Alrighty, you're loaded.
Ready to see her go?
Yeah.
Now my tractor won't hardly pick it up, so you have to see my technique to help.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, a little more muscle. Muscle power.
It don't take much more.
Yeah.
It's getting enough on for you?
Hey, it looks, I can see it.
You want to look in the box, see what you think? If we're already out, we got trouble.
No, we ain't.
That's going to be fine, ain't it?
Huh?
That's going to be good, isn't it?
Yeah, I think
That'll be enough seed.
We'll just put on extra.
It looks like rain, so maybe it's perfect timing. It's perfect time of year. The temperatures, highs are in the 70s. Yeah, this should come up good. This seeder is made for subcompact tractors, but it's all a 1025R wants to pick up in the rear. Yeah, it's one of those cases where the 3-point lift capacity on the 1025R is relevant.
Oh yeah.
That's going to be perfect.
Yeah, we got most of it. Let me go fill you up. Tim.
Whoa.
Oh.
I like it. Christy, you got to see his seeder.
Ah. Is that battery powered?
Yes.
Oh my.
Yes, battery powered spreader. No more hand cranking.
I like it.
I like it. Yeah. Get right out here to the edge.
That's pretty fancy.
Yes.
I think you could have done it faster with that thing.
I could get it. Yeah.
Well, I think you showed me up with your little power seeder.
Yes, a power seeder. Well, do you want to, is there any need to kind of go on a different angle, put more out here?
I'm happy to.
Or,
there's
you know,
plenty
go
there.
back to the mound. Yeah. We can go back to the mound and run it out.
We can do
We might as well
you
just
want.
empty it up, you know, so
Okay.
you can either run it here or run it back out on the mound, or
If a little does a little good, a lot will do a lot of good.
that's the way I figure.
I can fly the drone over it and scatter it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this, the little hand power seeder. What brand is that? Scott's Whiz.
Whiz.
It's got a little dial for setting the rate and
Got
everything.
setting the rate on it, battery operated, pull the trigger, works sweet.
Star of the show, co-star of the show. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
And he said, "The one who sows the good seed is the Son of Man, and the field is the world. And as for the good seed, these are the sons of the kingdom, and the weeds are the sons of the evil one."